In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this stitch pattern. You see that some stitches have been grouped together. The first thing that you have to do is to slip one stitch purlwise. So put one stitch on your right needle, and then you have to knit 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3, and then you pass the first slipped stitch over the last 3 stitches. We do it again. First slip 1 stitch and then knit 3. 1, 2, I can't see what I'm doing, and 3, and then pass the slipped stitch over the 3 stitches. You will notice that we are decreasing 1 stitch every 4 stitches. So on the next row we have to add it back. This is what we have now. We have groups of 3 stitches. We have to add back the missing stitches. So at the beginning of each group we are going to do a yarn over to add back the stitches. So first we make a yarn over and then we knit 3 stitches. I'm knitting in the round. If you're knitting back and forth, you will be purling 3 stitches instead of knitting 3. So we have added back the missing stitch and then the 3 other stitches. So again, yarn over and knit 3. Yarn over, knit 3.